almost everything you need to know about time capture. So I'm all set up here, 10:26, 3 minutes time. Good luck, DJI. We're going to bring in the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. We're going to turn on. You're going to have a alarm clock over here when time capture is set up. To get to it, swipe down, swipe to the left, cog gear, scroll up until you see timed capture. Careful not to swipe the dash. That'll close the window out to the main screen. Hit the time captured. When pressing the switch, it'll light blue. It'll highlight everything that is allowed. To set up, hit the start time. That's your first thing. I'm going to do 10:28. That should give me enough time. Back out. I have a shooting mode, defaulted video. It starts off at star lapse, burst photo, interval, photo, highlight in blue, video, pure video, free frame video, time shift, time lapse, dash cam, loop recording, and slow motion. Now it did come up because certain things does not support. Swipe down to back out. We'll go to the next one, which is specifications. We have here's your resolution, your frames per second, and everything that you will set your camera up. You're looking for duration from infinity up to 3 hours to record. I'm not going to go into great detail. We're going to back out. The shooting parameters are your settings. You could set everything up you want. To back out, just simply tap. You could change your field of view. Back out, tap on the screen. You could do it once, and when it's finished and completed, the time capture will be off. If you repeat, the time capture will stay on. So we're going to do it once. We're going to swipe up. Time capture is now set. Got it. And there is the bell. We're going to shut the camera down. And we got 3 minutes time. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro never started. They developed the camera, created the camera, got it out to us, and improved firmware and added during firmwares timer shooting. And today's latest firmware is V0103.0350, not corrected. I have not updated to the last 2 firmwares. I'm on V010302.10. I do not want to have vivid or neutral. And timer shooting was never fixed. The answer with DJI is please send your camera in for evaluation. You will have to try to factory reset your camera. Cannot reload firmware. Basically, that is it. I'm going to turn the camera on. 2 minutes passed. I'm just going to shut it down, get rid of it. I wish DJI would remove it. The camera turns on 5 seconds prior and will give a 3-second countdown. We're going to interrupt our scheduled recording by hitting the big red bullet. We paused our recording. That is something that you can do on here. I'm not sure you're able to do it on the DJI. Another thing you can do is, after this completes, and it shuts down, go back into play. The only thing that a downside of this is when it completes, it does not say shutting down. It just shuts down. In order to continue your video, just hit the mode on, swipe from the left to the right, hit the time it tells you to continue recording. Carefully read the message. Tap the button below or press the shutter button. Do not tap the stop button. That is stop it. You hit this button here or this button here to continue recording. Did you know if you shut your camera down and you want to continue pause recording, turn the camera back on, it should have been into pause recording. And you're able to continue to add in video to here. And there is your adding in the video. I was able to get this to be in that state of coming back on the playback when I hit it to continue. There it is. I'm able to continue from this page on and record. I am with voice command, stop recording, and I am with hand gesture. So now that I've completed my timed capture, almost everything that you needed to know. Which one do you think is the better feature? DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro or the Insta360 Ace Pro 2? I'll leave that up to you to decide. Thank you for your 10 minutes of time.